For taking care of your lasher, you're going to want to, of course, transport it in the protective case. And most often when we see damage to the lashers, it's because it's been dropped. So make sure you're using that strand lock wherever possible to keep it locked to the strand. For maintenance, there's a couple areas where the unit can get dirty and can get bound up. So if you look at the unit from below and give it a little bit of a turn, there's a couple of points that you want to be greasing on a regular basis and making sure that they stay clean. So you've got your front bearing race, your rear bearing race, and then right here is the locking pin. And you can see the movement by opening that gate. So if you open that up, the pin should rise. So that often gets dirty and needs to be cleaned out and greased. The drive wheel on the Eagle Lasher can be serviced. So this whole unit can be removed and replaced through the center bolt. You can engage the clutch just to take the pressure off the tire, and that unit slides right off. And you'll notice that the bushing and the shaft are greased. So every once in a while you're going to want to take that wheel off, make sure it's clean and free of debris, and grease that location. You'll also notice you have the 3 bolts here that constrain your drive tire. So if you need to replace that tire, you can access it with those 3 bolts. And you can remove these 3 bolts to remove your lashing wire tire if required. So those 3 come off, and then your flange comes off. That tire pulls off. So you can reinstall that without the tire if you're using non-metallic lashing wire, or reinstall your tire for metallic lashing wire. DCD offers a number of service kits for this unit. And they include a replacement kit for your front roller, replacement tire and components for your strand roller, your lashing wire tire, your drive tire, the entire wheel if required, and for your rear gate and rear gate latch.